let's be real here. Nobody want to walk around with no man hand. That's why a lot of women get the nails done. Nail does miracle. A lot of y'all don't understand and question like why women get artificial nails. Let me tell you something. There are women, if they don't have artificial nails, they can't act right. Let's first talk about personality. When you wear nails, it changes your personality. You can be grumpy, mad, sad, or anything, but the moment you have your nails on, you just turn into a bad bitch. For some reason, the attitude kicks in and you just feel empowered. Now, with the look, very important, y'all, because a lot of women got big knuckles, big hands, all kind of stuff happen to their hands. And they don't want to expose that. And you know they don't want to be walking around having hands that are looking more beat up than a man's hand. So having fingernails on, what it does is that it plays a delusion where when you look from far, you only notice the fingernails. It takes the eye away from the finger, the knuckle, and all the veins that's popping out. That's why women wear nails. So gentlemen, if your lady wear nails, you got to respect that. And if you gentlemen are dating somebody and they don't wear nails, you better pay for them nails. Because that's how you get their heart, y'all, nowadays.